the egg? The chicken? Or the egg? The chicken?
It's been 30 days since Scott's been home. I'm just so lonely.
What? Oh, not enough?
Pick a little, talk a little, pick a little, talk a little, cheat, 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 talk a lot, pick a little more.
Oh, the lucky me, I find the worm. Or schnitzel. Or maybe both, nah?
Pick a little, talk a little, pick a little, talk a little, cheat, 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 talk a lot, pick a little more.
You're in the Blackcocks now, are ya?
Sorry,
Get off of me.
Ow!
God damn it, Sally, you twally washer.
Jim, I didn't know you were
I'm
here.
so sorry,
So
Jim. I'm so sorry.
Sally, will you call me?
Classic. Oh, hello, gorgeous. You come here often?
Oh, shut up, Terry. We live in the same coop.
Ah, classic bitch.
Men these days.
Between you and me, it was the egg.